What's wrong with him?
Run! Run!
No!
Come on!
It hurts.
Help me! Please help me!
Something's wrong. Oh no!
Help me! I will ask someone for help.
Ah, found it!
There's been an accident.
I need your help.
Hurry up! Hurry up! Here I come! If you need help, give me a call. All right. Oh yeah! We need to rebuild the new bridge. Give me that task. Come on, let's go! Go, go, go! Okay, done. That's great. See you again. Hello.
Wonderful!
Hi, everybody. Let's get down to work. Wow, great! We have to finish the job with him today. Wow, it looks good. We made it! We made it! Okay, let's go. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Let's go home.
Dum 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 dee dum.
Move, move!
See you again. You've done a great job. We have to finish the job with him today.
Bye bye.
Let's wake up! We have to finish the job with him today. I hope everything goes well. Let's get down to work.
Help me! Help me!
Please call the police for me.
Help me!
What is wrong with him? We have to help him. Let's do it. We could do it.
Hey, I'm here!
Okay, done.
Ah,
Found it. Okay, let's go. I'm not fine at all. Ah, it hurts. You'll be okay. Wonderful. Keep going, keep going. We made it, we made it. That's all right, thanks.
Whoa, you are great.
Hello, I need to wash the car.
Hi!
Let's get started. Wow, great! Wow, it looks good.
Such a nice car.
Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. See you again.
Bye-bye!
Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Thanks. See you again. Have a good day. Hurry up.
Oh no! What should we do now? Stop immediately.
It's very dangerous ahead. Oh my God. What is going on? I need your help. Give me that task.
Go, go, go!
Hulk smash!
It's very dangerous ahead. Don't worry. I will ask someone for help. I've got a job for you. I get it. Okay, we'll get there immediately. He needs help. Okay, let's go. Come on, let's go. Follow me. We can do it. Hey, wait for me. All right.
Very good.
Found it. Let's get started. Wonderful. I'm going. We have to finish the job with him today. Wow, great.
Something's wrong.
I've got an idea. I love my job. Okay, done. Very beautiful. We made it! We made it! Let's go home! Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. See you again. Stay away! Stay away!
Huh?
What is wrong with him? I think you need help. We have to move it out of here. Easy. Hey! 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 I've got an idea. Okay, done.
Very good.
Leave it to me. Wonderful. Great.
Whoa, you are great.
Stop the car. We have to finish the job with him today. What is going on? Oh my God!
Move, move.
Please help me! Help me!
What is this?
Help me! Help me!
Give me that task.
Stop immediately.
It's not. I'm sorry. Ah, it hurts. Hooray! Thanks for helping me, guys. Nothing is impossible.
Oh no!
Don't worry, I'm here.